So this is the question based on time and distance. Question came in SSC 2010. Okay. See what question says. By walking at 3 by 4 of his usual speed, okay, usual speed, a man reaches his office 20 minutes later than usual time. Find the usual time taken by him to reach his office. This is the question which from where you can fetch your marks. Okay. So what question says? Question says कि if a person travel by 3 by 4 of his usual speed, so let's suppose V1 is the usual speed. Okay, V1 is the usual speed and V2 is the speed with which person reaches delay to his office. Okay, now what question says? Question has given that V2, that is the person speed when he is getting late, is 3 by 4 of his usual speed, which is V1. This is already given in the question. And the next thing is given, he reaches 20 minutes later. So let if we think T2 is the time with which he delayed, okay, delayed time, then and T1 is the usual time, then T2 will be equals to T1 plus 20. This is also given in question, that man reaches his office 20 minutes later than usual time. And what is usual time? T1. So how much time he take to go? He take T1 plus 20. Okay, 20 minutes later. Now you know that what is time? Time is distance to the speed. Okay, so you know this, time is distance to the speed. So T1, what is T1? What is usual time? Usual time is distance. Okay, one thing you have to generalize, that the man with usual time and with delayed time, the distance will remain same. Okay, the distance will remain same. Okay, अगर आदमी देर हो या जल्दी से जा रहा है, टाइम पे जा रहा है, तो डिस्टेंस चेंज थोड़ी ना होगा, स्पीड चेंज होगी और टाइम चेंज होगा, बट डिस्टेंस रिमेन सेम. सो लेट्स सपोज कि वो कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कर रहा है, x. ओके, x यूनिट ही ट्रेवल. So time is distance upon his speed. So x on speed when he go with usual time is what? We take usual time with V1. And what is T2? What is T2? What is T2? T2 is the delayed time. तो जब लेट पहुंच रहा है तो कितना होगा? डिस्टेंस. टाइम का फॉर्मूला वही रहेगा. What is distance? Distance remain x. And what will be speed? Speed will be V2. He travel with V2 speed. Simply you have to put this equation in this equation. So what comes after putting in this equation? What is T2? T2 is x. Distance remains same to the V2 will be equals to 41 distance to the speed plus 20. Okay. Now what is V2? What is V2? V2 is already given in term of V1, and here it is x to the V1, and it is already given in question. V2 is 3 by 4 of V1. You have to put it simply and you will easily get the answer. So 4 by 3 x by V1, after this I solve here. So 4 by 3 x by V1 will be equals to x by V1 plus 20, containing this term here. What come here? It will be 4 minus 3 upon 3 LCM. X by V1 comes 16. Okay. Now, what is x by V1? X by V1 is what? T1. What is T1? And T1 is our usual time. So what is this x1? This x1 is nothing but this x1 is T1, which is 60, and unit is given in minutes, so it will be minutes. ओके, सो सिंपली x बाई v1 हमारा क्या है, टाइम ही तो है x बाई v1. हमें यहाँ पे x और v1 की वैल्यू नहीं चाहिए, x बाई v1 इज टाइम, सो यहाँ से टाइम आ गया आपका 60 मिनट. ओके,